Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Target just seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So the first thing I'm seeing are these wrap dresses from Knox Rose. It has this like waffled kind of texture, has that shoulder detail. It is a true wrap, long sleeve with the elastic on the wrist, and then tiers at the bottom with pockets that seem kind of fit through the back, and they're $40. Also comes in the purple. New lace up top from Knox Rose. So this one has this textured material, V-neck line, laces up with the shoulder. It's a flutter sleeve, relaxed fit through the body. It's $28. Seeing a new embroidered top from Knox Rose. So this one has all that embroidering, the tie detail. It's a V-neck, smocking on the wrist, flowy fit. The seam detail in the back, and this one is $30. Just seeing that red top in this blue floral. Here's a new embroidered top from Knox Rose. So this one has that higher neckline, brown like kind of burnout style buttons embroidered through the front, little shoulder detail. Also has the embroidering through the sleeve. It's relaxed through the body. I think this was an online purchase. It'll be linked down below. It also comes in the white. I think we saw this before. These are $35. New terry cardigan from Knox Rose. So we saw this option before with the buttons. Now I'm seeing this at terried, kind of open front, has that drawstring to pull it in at the waist with the pockets. Raw hem at the wrist, nice and oversized. You could see that goes all the way around. This one's $40. I saw mine, this Rolling Stones tees now. So this one has the crew neckline, and it's $12.99. Also, I think this is where they're gonna put stuff out. So this is like a faux leather kind of sheen legging. I saw somebody in Marshalls, I think yesterday, with these. They look really nice on. They have the thicker waistband fitted through the leg, and they're $18. New smock dress from Knox Rose. So this one has the elastic around the neckline, really nice, soft and stretchy. Has this mesh kind of sheer sleeve with the smocked wrists, smocking at the waist, nice and flowy with the pockets, and then also the tier at the bottom. The same all the way around, and it's also $40. New wide leg jean from Knox Rose. So these look like they are high-waisted. They have the pork chop style pockets. It's straight all the way down. And then the same through the back. Not too much whisker nor fading. They're going to be $35. Embroidered dress from Knox Rose. So this one has the tie detail. It's completely embroidered through the front. This textured material with the elastic and the wrist, little tier, and then it's flowy through the body with the tier at the bottom. And the same through the back. This one is $40. New color in the button down top from Universal Thread. So these have the smaller collar. It's an oversized fit. Tortoise buttons. They've rolled up, but it does have the button detail. Really good length in the back. It scoops down a little bit with the seam detail. The material looks like a pose. So a nice alternative to chambray. They're $25 in the blue. It also comes in the gray. This is a classic fit. And then it also comes in the olive. And behind it I'm seeing a new button down from Universal Thread. So this one has that mid-size collar, pocket at the top, two pockets down below, oversized buttons with the button detail on the wrist. It's the same kind of fit through the back. That's the extra small. This is the 2XL. And they're $35. New seamed pants from Universal Thread. So these look like they're high-waisted. They have the seam detailing through the leg, the little pocket on the side, straight through the bottom. They're $35 with the pockets in the back. New jeans from Wild Fable. So these are high-waisted pockets. There's some light fading with the color block going through the leg. And it continues around the back. These are $28. Also seeing a new color from Wild Fable in this half cable knit, half ribbed cardigan. So we saw the burgundy, we also saw the gold. Now I'm seeing it in black. Has that cable knit on the one side, oversized tortoise buttons, the drop sleeve, ribbed wrists, and they're 28. Gauze baby doll dresses from Wild Fable. So these have thin adjustable straps at squared neckline. So the material looks like a post, seam under the bust and tears all the way down with this little string going across, and it scoops. And this baby blue also comes in the white. They're 18. There's a new color in the faux leather dress. So this one has thin straps, scoops down, fitted through the body, really nice and stretchy with the slit on the side, seam going down the back. That's what it looks like on the inside. And they're going to be 35. New jeans from Wild Fable. These look high-waisted. There's some light whiskering, rip on the knee, raw hem at the bottom. And these are 25. It's the super high-rise slim straight. It's the button fly, and then here it is, and it's a little bit more ripped. And it's darker. Wrap dress from Ava and Viv. So this is their plus line. It's a nice lightweight material. It has the smaller collar, full button down, side pocket with the belt, elastic on the wrist, and this one is 35. It also comes in the green, and then also new is this little embroidered dress. I think we saw this in some other colors. So this one has that higher neckline. It's a textured material with the little tear on the wrist, flowy fit, and the button detail on the back, and they're 38. Color on the 12 pants from Knox Rose. So these have that pork chop style pocket, nice and stretchy. It's straight leg. Pockets in the back. They're $29.99. They also come in that neutral camo. Dress from A New Day. So this one has the V neckline. There is elastic, so you could bring it off the shoulder. Also has the balloon sleeve. It's super oversized with the same detailing at the waist. Has a little pocket with the smocking through the back. And this one is 30. Color in the slip dress from A New Day. So this one has the thin strapped V neckline, super flowy. It's like a light yellow material with the squared back. Also new from A New Day is this cutout shoulder dress. So this one has high neckline with the ribbing. It's like a knit lightweight sweater material. Cutouts at the shoulder, fitted through the wrist, also through the body. It's $40. Has that same kind of fit through the back. New pants from A New Day. These have that side buckle. It's a twill kind of stretchy material with a burnout fabric, little pleats at the top, and then it is straight leg. The back has no pockets. It's a tapered leg, high rise stretch. In this brown color, it also comes in this plaid, and they're going to be 28. New color in the pull-on pants. So these have the elastic waistband. It's a soft kind of stretchy jogger material, little pleated detail with the side pocket, and then that's what the bottom looks like. Has the seam going all the way down the leg. They're going to be 25. So it comes in the oatmeal color. There's also the brown or camel. There's a black pinstripe with the black, a houndstooth plaid, a solid black. New leggings from JoyLab. So these have that thick waistband. They're an extra long length in this pair with the little slit on the front. They're $34. In the black, also comes in the red. There's a gray and pink. New graphic sweatshirt. So this one has the crew neckline. It's a soft fleece on the inside, drop sleeve, has that ribbed wrist, ribbing at the bottom. This is the medium, so it's definitely more oversized. It's $21.99. This one's also new from Mickey and Minnie. This one has that soft fleece on the inside. It's more of a shorter boxy fit. This is the extra small, so it's still oversized. Also $21.99. Also seeing graphic tees from the Bulls and the Lakers, and they're $19.99. They're short sleeve. Denim jackets from Wild Fable. So this one has that oversized collar. It's true button, like a denim with the flat pocket, side pocket, button detail on the wrist, and then there's seam detailing in the back. This one is $32, and then right next to it, this one's completely faux Sherpa lined. Has the two pockets, also the side pocket, button detail on the wrist, and $38. New color in the baggy jeans. So these are high-waisted. There's no whiskering or fading, just wide through the leg. From Wild Fable, they're $28. And then also from Wild Fable, these are a straight. They have that seam detailing through the leg. Pockets on the back. These are a super high-rise straight, and they're going to be $28. New sheer dress from Wild Fable. So this one has that plunging neckline, little shoulder detail, fitted through the wrist with the elastic, and then it's a baby doll fit. This one's $28. New waffle tops from Wild Fable. So these have that crew neckline, seam detailing. It's fitted through the wrist, through the sleeve. It's ribbed through the body. It's that waffle. In the burgundy, it also comes in purple. There's a gray and white color block. And they're $18. That's what the color block looks like. Also seeing a new snap button top from Wild Fable. So this one has that higher neckline, ribbed drop sleeve. Also has that ribbed wrist. Has the raw hem at the bottom in the mustard. Also comes in blue. They're $16. New colors in this little tie front top. So this is what the material looks like up close, like a soft hatchy. Has that higher neckline with the cutouts. I would just wear a tank underneath if you don't want it to show. They're $18 in the green burnout, also the lavender. There's the black and brown swirl, and then also solid black. Also seeing a new gauze skirt from Wild Fable. This one has that smocked waistband, really nice and flowy. They're $18. New boxy tees from Wild Fable. This one has the crew neckline, drop sleeve, raw hem at the bottom. Looks like it's like an oversized fit that got cut. They're $10 in the brown. Also comes in black, white. New color in this textured cardigan from Wild Fable. So this one has that ribbing around the neckline. This is what it looks like up close. The two pockets, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. In this brown, it also comes in the charcoal. There's ivory and rose. New graphic sweatshirt. So this one is from Sublime. It has that crew neckline. It's a soft fleece, ribbed wrist. I think we saw that one from Grease and Thread last time. This one is $21.99. This one has a soft fleece, raw hem, more of a shorter boxy fit, ribbed wrist, and it's $19.99. Polka dot dress from Ava and Viv. So this one has that sweetheart neckline, little ruche detailing, long sleeve elastic at the wrist, nice and flowy. Has a little side tie. So it's a wrap front. Just looks like it. They're $30. New soft pants from Stars Above. So these have that thicker waistband. They're super soft and stretchy. They're from the beautifully soft fabric. These are $16.99 in the gray. They also come in the black. New seamless shorts from Colsey. So these have that thicker waistband. It's a bike short, probably like a 3-inch inseam in the black. Also comes in blue and purple. They're $12. They are in the burgundy, and then they have the matching bralette. So these have that V neckline, soft and stretchy. I would say light support. They're $7. Also comes in the lavender. There's a pink. And seeing a new little color block set. So this one has the thin straps, Henley buttons, like bralette with the matching boy shorts in the pink. Also comes in the blue. And the two pieces are $18. Also new from Colsey are these ribbed velvet sets. So these have thin straps, square neckline, lettuce trim at the bottom, more of a cropped fit. The shorts have the elastic waistband, a little more flowy, also with the lettuce trim. $18 for the two pieces. In the mint green, also comes in the gray. And then I saw pink over here. I think we saw all the other new sets last week. A new denim style jegging. These are from the Spanx asset brand. They have that shaping kind of waistband. These are $38. New zip front jacket from Joy Lab. So this one has a terry on the inside, a kangaroo pocket, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It does have that kind of like acid wash look, but not too much. And the same kind of fit through the back. In the gray, it also comes in solid black. And then these are $32. Also have the matching jogger. So these have an elastic waistband, that terry on the inside with the side pocket. They're a true jogger bottom. They're $34. New Heart pajama sets. I'm pretty sure these are for the family. Let's see what brand. These are super soft, stretchy. And then the pants look like they are jogger style with the elastic waistband. The women's are $25. The men's are also $25. Earrings from A New Day. So these are like halfway hoops. Really nice and lightweight in the orange with the pearl, also the blue and the pink. And they also have the matching bracelet set. This one's $12.99. And the necklaces are $14.99 in that orange, also the pink and green. New hobo style bags. These are from Universal Thread. So they do have that buckle detail in this pinky color. There's also a brown and black color block. They're $35. New Valentine's Day socks. So these are a cozy kind of chenille material. It's a crew sock in this multicolored heart. They also have the red and white. There's this rainbow, the black and red, and then the lips. And let's see a price. And then down here they also have the smaller kind of lower cut and the multicolor, the little gnomes. And St. Patrick's Day chenille, a little raccoon. There's a cow and the llama. And then down here, more crow. These are also that chenille material. There's a blue, red, and pink. Seeing those pleated boots in the gray for the first time. So those have a little bit of a square toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and these were online. And then also online, also these gray slouchy boots. So they'll both be linked down below. I know we saw these in the brown, a few other colors. New rubbered bottom little slippers. So they're felt material. These are from the Deer Foams. In this gray color, they also come in the oatmeal. They're $25. And then also new are these little slip-on style loafer slippers from Stars Above. And the beige also comes in the black and the gray, and they're $19.99. Oh, they also have this little chestnut color. So seeing sandals already, I guess maybe for spring break. Those rubber Birkenstock styles from Shade & Shore. These slides are Wild Fable. And then these are from A New Day. Color in these sneaker boots from All in Motion. So they have the rounded toe. It's a nylon material, lace up. I think these were online purchase, so they'll be linked down below. So new high tops from Mad Love. So this is a canvas material, has that thicker rubbered bottom with the zipper on the inside. It comes in the white, and then I also saw black. And they're on a $32.99. Sherpa style sneaker boot. So these have the rubbered bottom and has this faux leather going all the way around with a little tab. These are from A New Day and they're $44.99. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.